Hello, I'm Cheryl Fox. It's the start of a brand new week. Welcome to Singapore Tonight. Singapore will pump in a total of $350 million to develop its clean energy industry. And this includes the previous $170 million that was announced by Prime Minister Lee Hsien Loong recently. All this money will be spent to develop clean fuel products and to groom manpower over the next 5 years. There are also plans to export locally developed products overseas. Valerie Tan with more.
Meet the drive of the future. No petrol needed and no poisonous exhaust fumes. The fuel cell car, currently on trial in Singapore, is powered by electricity. Such prototypes and more are expected under the fuel cell community set up at Temasek Polytechnic School of Engineering, which is supported by the Economic Development Board. Its focus to help local companies and technopreneurs get started on developing fuel cell products. Companies can even test drive their prototypes at the Poly's $5.5 million fuel cell application centre, which will be completed in November this year.
We'll be initiating projects with the members and partners in the hope of developing commercial fuel cell products for the marketplace. These fuel cell products will be developed an industry. Once we commercialize the products, then we are able to generate an industry manufacturing plant here to produce these systems, and thus creating a manufacturing and employment for the Singapore as a whole.
All these come under Singapore's Clean Energy Industry Blueprint. Headed by a newly formed Clean Energy Program Office, the blueprint sets out to fund projects, build world-class research centres and groom manpower to power up the industry in Singapore.
EDB wants to do the same for the broader clean energy industry, not just fuel cells. We want to position Singapore as a global clean energy hub, where clean energy companies can come to incubate, develop and produce solutions not only for Singapore, but to export to the world.
And it's not just about saving the environment, EDB says. Another reason why Singapore is going big on the clean energy industry is because of the growing market due to the rising prices of fuel. And nearly 1 billion people live without electricity in South Asia and Southeast Asia, which is why there are plans to help companies in Singapore bring their clean energy products into these markets.
The clean energy industry is expected to boost Singapore's economy by about $1.7 billion and create 7,000 jobs by 2015.